I thought I was doing okay with money. I wasn't buying anything crazy. But somehow, by the end of every month, I was broke again. So I tried one thing. I started tracking every single dollar I spent for 30 days. No budget, no rules, just awareness and that $1 habit. It changed everything. We think money problems are about income or budgets. But for me, it was something else completely. I just didn't know what was going on. No tracking, no plan, just vibes and financial anxiety. And the moment I started to look, not judge, not fix, just look, everything started to change. Here's the habit. For 30 days, I tracked every single purchase, big or small, $1.5 coffee. Logged $80 groceries. Logged, I used an app called SpendSmart. It made it dead simple. Open it, tap add expense, done. It started showing me patterns within a few days. I didn't change anything at first. I just tracked, and that alone started shifting how I saw money. Within a week, I realized I'd spent $73 on food delivery. In 6 days, I found $81 in subscriptions I'd forgotten about, and over $100 in weight. What was that? Impulse buys, no shame, just clarity. And when you get clarity, your brain starts doing the work for you. I didn't follow a strict budget. I didn't cut everything out. What I did do, cooked twice instead of ordering out, waited 24 hours before buying stuff, checked SpendSmart each night. This wasn't a spreadsheet. It wasn't rigid. It was just tracking, and that gave me back control. Most finance advice is loud, aggressive, intimidating. But this habit, it's quiet, simple, sustainable, and you don't need to be good with money to start. This isn't about being perfect, it's about being present, and presence with your money changes everything. And the wildest part, I didn't change my income. I didn't take a course. I just paid attention. Once I saw the pattern, I started changing naturally. And it stuck because it was mine, not someone else's rules. If you feel lost with money, here's your next move. Track every dollar for the next 7 days. Don't overthink categories, just log it. Use an app like SpendSmart to make it effortless. Don't try to fix anything yet. Just watch. That alone will change how you spend. Now, let me be real with you. This wasn't all smooth. There were days I forgot. Days I hated seeing the truth. Times I almost quit. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, inconsistent, or ashamed around money, that's exactly what I share in the next video. It is called Tracking My Spending for 30 Days. Was brutal, but it changed me. Go watch that next. It's the honest version most people don't share.